In a small, quiet town, there lived a young man. His name was Alex. Alex worked in a busy company. He was smart and hardworking, but he was always busy. He had no time for people. He had no time for family. He had one bad habit. He delayed replies. Whenever someone messaged him, he said, "I will reply later." But later never came. His phone was always full of unread messages. His mother lived in another town. She loved him deeply. She messaged him every few days. She asked if he was eating well. She asked if he was healthy. She asked him to visit home. But Alex always replied later. He thought work was more important. He had a close friend named Ryan. Ryan often told him to reply on time. He warned him gently, but Alex laughed it off. He said, "Nothing will happen." At work, his manager was strict but fair. The manager also noticed Alex's habit. He once said, "People matter more than messages." But Alex did not understand. Days passed. Life stayed busy. Messages kept coming. His mother kept sending love and care. Ryan kept checking on him. But Alex kept delaying. One evening, his mother sent a message again. She said she missed him badly. She asked him to call her soon. Alex saw it while working. He felt a little soft inside. But he was in a meeting. He said, "I will call her tomorrow." That tomorrow never came. The next morning, Alex received a call. It was from his neighbor. The voice was serious and shaking. The neighbor told him that his mother had fallen very sick. Alex's heart stopped for a moment. He dropped everything. He rushed to leave immediately. Ryan tried to go with him. They both traveled fast. But the journey felt long, too long. When they reached the house, it was silent. Alex saw people outside. He felt something was wrong. Inside, his mother was lying quietly. She was gone. The world felt still for Alex. His hands became cold. His mind went blank. Ryan stood beside him silently. He did not know what to say. Alex sat down slowly. He could not believe it. He opened his phone with shaking hands. He saw all her messages. So many caring words. So many unanswered calls. Then he saw the last message. It said she missed him. It said she wanted to hear his voice. Alex broke down in tears. Ryan placed a hand on his shoulder, but nothing could comfort him now. Alex kept whispering, "I should have replied. I should have called. I was too late." His manager arrived later. He saw everything. He quietly said, "Some things cannot be repeated." Those words hit Alex deeply. Days passed slowly after that. Alex changed completely. He stopped delaying replies. He started calling people immediately. He visited his friends more often. He spent time with his father. He helped Ryan more at work. He became more present in life. But the pain never fully left him. He still remembered the last message. It stayed in his heart forever. One day, Ryan asked him quietly, "Do you regret everything?" Alex nodded slowly. He said, "I regret not valuing time. I thought I had more of it. But I was wrong." From that day, Alex lived differently. He learned to care in the moment. He learned not to delay love. He learned that messages are not just words. They are moments that can never return.